dimensional toolbar. First one is the multi-ladder. Command is MLD. Multi-ladder. Command is MLD. Now you can see what is the use of the multi-ladder. Just I am going to design one thing. My design contain 100 similar objects. Again 2 or 100, anything, any number of similar objects. At that time you can specify the dimensions by using multi-ladder. Again the direct process, again you can specify the radius, again radius. If 2 circles is okay, then you can represent in this format. Again I am going to represent 100 circles. Again this type of format, time taking. Again the design contain clumsy, individual dimensions, clumsy. Then at that time I am going to use the multi-ladder representation in this format. Total 100 circles, dia equal to sum 20. Now all similar objects having dimension 20 diameter. That is the use of the multi-ladder.
Only 100 answer.
Any number of objects, any number of similar objects. For that purpose you can apply the dimensions in the format of multi-ladder.
Similar objects అంటే సేమ్ సైజ్ ఉన్నదా లేకపోతే
సేమ్ థింగ్
అంటే సర్కిల్ లోనే కొంచెం ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిన సర్కిల్స్
సేమ్ థింగ్ ఉన్నది
సేమ్ సైజ్
while designing anything just you can enter the dimension, the input value 20 diameter. While designing this circle I am going to enter input is the 20, again this one is the 20. After completion of the designing, this one and this one look like a similar shapes. At that time I am going to assign multi-ladder dimension. For example, just I am going to design one circle 20 radius, again one more circle 20 radius, again one more circle 20 radius. What happened? All these circles having same thing. Now at the time I am going to use the dimension, select the multi-ladder. First you can specify the, again you can design multi-ladder by 3 methods. Again 3 types of methods. First one is the default one is the arrowhead location. Next one is the ladder landing first. Next one is the content first. Now see here, first one, default one is the ladder arrowhead first. Now this is the arrowhead location. Now this is the landing location. Then you can design the text. 3 holes, okay, or 3 circles, anything, or 3 circles 10 diameter. Okay, just okay here. That is the representation of the MLD. Now see here again MLD enter. Now the default one is the ladder arrowhead location. Then next one is the ladder landing first. First you can specify the landing location, then you can attach the arrowhead, then you can design the text. That's it, simple thing. Okay, then next one, content first means first you can design, if the content is very high, first you can design content outside completely, then okay, then you can specify the arrowhead location. Okay, now see here, content first I am going to design one content. If content is very high, first you can design the content completely outside, then after that just you can attach the arrowhead. That's it. That is the different types of MLD's procedures. First one is the specify arrowhead location first, next one is the landing location first, next one is the content first. That is the 3 types. First write down up to this one. MLD enter. You have 3 methods. First one is the ladder arrowhead first. That is the default method, in brackets default method. Second one, ladder landing first. Ladder landing first. Next, content type. Content first. Content first. That is the third type. Now you can choose any one of them. Then you can design the MLD. First one is the ladder arrowhead first. That means first you can design the, first you can specify the ladder arrowhead location, then you can specify the landing location, then you can design the text. Second one is the landing location first. First you can specify the landing location, then you can specify arrowhead location, then you can design the text. Again third one is content first. First you can design the text, then you can specify the arrowhead location. Okay. Now see here. Again the MLD command having one more internal command, options. MLD command having options, internal command, options. By using options you can set different types of MLD settings. You can set different types of MLD settings. For that purpose I am going to select options. Again you have different types of internal commands. Okay, just write down first options. Again fourth one is the, again next two. You have one internal command, options, in brackets. By using option internal command, we can set different types of MLD settings. 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 Okay. Now just write down the all settings. Again the options contain again number of internal commands. First one is the ladder type, ladder landing, content type, maximum points, maximum points. Next first angle and second angle. First angle, second angle. Next last one is the exit options. Now first you can see the ladder type. Ladder type settings. Ladder type. Again you have two types of ladders, straight and spline. Now the current one is the, now this is the straight. Again I am going to apply spline. Again every time after set the settings, again you can apply the exit options. Again coming back to same thing. Again select the arrowhead first, arrowhead location, landing location. Okay, same thing you can design the text. Then next one, options, ladder type, choose straight. Again exit options. Okay, just design the text. Okay, now see here. Now this is the ladder arrowhead, this is the landing gap, again this is MLD text. Okay, now see here. Again next one is the options. Now next one is the ladder landing. Now this is the ladder landing. Now see here, ladder landing currently S condition. Now I am going to set no condition. Again exit options, first point, next point, then design the text. What happened? No landing. Again one more one, options, ladder landing. Again I am going to set S condition. Now the default landing gap is 8 units. So I am going to specify landing gap 20. Okay. Again exit options. Again select the first point, then landing location, design the text. Okay, now see here, without landing with 8 units, landing with 20 units. That is the use of the ladder landing. Then next one, now content type. Again you have different types of content, single content and, now see here, multiple text, none, block option. Block is nothing but just you can create one block with text. Block with text. Again, how to create the blocks? Same draw toolbar, block operation. Again, block followed by insert operation. Now, at the time of preparation of block, you can specify some names. Again, same thing you can enter here. Now, in that blocks, you can design the text, different types of styles of the text. Just you can apply the block here. Then next, next one is the maximum points. First, see here. Now, I am going to select the ladder, arrowhead. Again, next landing location. How many points? Just I am going to select 1 point here. Again, one more point in this location. 2 points. Maximum points equal to 2. Then I am going to choose options. Maximum points equal to 3. Okay. We can specify any number. We can specify any number of points. We can specify any number of points as per the requirements. Now this time see here. Again, arrowhead location. Second point. Next one is the third point. Second point, third point here. That's it. Then next one, first angle and second angle. Now see here. Now I am going to design on multi-ladder. Again, what happened? The multi-ladder tracking is. Now see here. What happened? The multi-ladder increment is 1 degree. Again, completely rotation. The multi-ladder completely. Now see here. Completely rotation here. Now I am going to design multi-ladder 40 degrees or 30 degrees. Now see here. For that purpose, MLD options specify the first angle. Now I am going to set first angle equal to 45 degrees. Again I am going to select in this location. Exit options. Now see here. This time what happened? The tracking only. The rotation possibility only 45 degrees only. That is the use of the first angle. Again, second angle means same thing with respect to second point. Okay, that's it. That is about the MLD. Okay, just write down. First one is the ladder type. Ladder type. How many ladders? Straight or spline? That's it. Straight or spline. Next, ladder landing. Yes or no condition? Yes sir, no condition. Next, third one. Content type. Multi-text or block text. Block. Next one is the maximum points. Specify the maximum number of points. Enter. Next one is the first angle and second angle exit options. Okay, that's it. Awesome. That is about the MLD. That is about MLD. Then next one, center mark is over. Next one is the tolerance. Again, this tolerance related to mechanical. This tolerance related to mechanical. While manufacture any component, first we need some draftings, nothing but productional drawings. At the time of productional drawings, we can use some symbolic representations. Again, you can design anything, you can manufacture anything, you can set some limits, tolerance values. Again, you can represent entire tolerance values in the tolerance table. Then you can assign tolerance table to geometries. Okay, just command is TOL. Tolerance command is TOL. Now see here. Now I am going to design one. Thin tube. I am going to design one thin cylinder. Okay. Now this is the maximum diameter, outside diameter. Now this is the inside diameter. Now this is the thickness value. Again I am going to set the limits here. Maximum limit and lower limit values. Now at the time of inspection, the product within the limits accept, otherwise rejected. Okay. Now I am going to assign the values. Now command is TOL. Tolerance command is TOL. Now cylindrical means the tolerance symbol is the cylinder concentricity. Again circle for diameter symbol. Again we can represent tolerance in the format of diameter. Just I am going to assign values. Again material condition, maximum material condition. Again tolerance 2. Again material condition. Again datum, nothing but directions. X direction, material condition. Again y direction, material condition. Again same thing for second circle. Now first one is the upper circle, again for inner circle purpose. Again you can specify the values. Again x direction condition, y direction condition. Okay, x and y only. Again you can specify z also. Then again this component having any 3D dimension. Again this is the 2D representation of a thin tube. Again you can represent third dimension in height. Now height equal to 50. Just okay. Then again you can symbol in this location. Okay, all the values, all the tolerance values in the format of table directly. That is about the tolerance. Okay, again then next one, just write down tolerance, TOL enter, specify all the values. Okay, TOL enter, specify all the values. Okay, specify all the values. Okay. Okay, then next one is the inspection. Command is dim inspect. Command is dim inspect. Inspect dimensions, inspect. Command is dim inspect. Just add on. By using this command, we can convert normal dimension to inspected dimensions. Normal dimensions to inspected dimensions. First I am going to design dimension. Now designing is over. After that we can prepare the draftings, nothing but dimensions. Just I am going to prepare the dimensions. Now these are the normal dimensions. Now my design work is complete. Then I am going to send my, just you can send file to your PMR PL. Now see here. Now the PMR PL check the dimensions. After that the PM approve this one. At that time they use the inspection symbols. Okay. Just you can assign any one symbol and inspection rate and everything here. Inspection, select dimension to be inspect. Now select this dimension. Now if it is correct, just again you can use the shape factor. Now set round, and the label is the line geometry. That is the, now this is the what type of dimension? Linear dimension. Linear for line. Now this entire geometry is the rectangle. Again you can specify the labels. Select the dimension and label is the rectangle. Specify the inspection rate. Now this design contains some 100 dimensions. Now the inspector check up to 50. How much complete? Total inspection dimensions equal to 100. 50. So how much percentage complete work? Inspection 50%. Again, now I am going to close the system. Again I am going to open the same file. At that time, how to find out the inspection rate? Just just he mentioned 100% means the inspection of the design is total complete. Okay, now I am going to prefer 100%. Okay, again style is the round style, geometry rectangle. Again what happened, all dimensions under inspected. Again for this one, again inspection rate, again label is the line, again style is the shape is the angular. Okay, again next one, dimension, select this one, same thing. Okay, again this is the circle, change it to circle. That is your requirement. Okay, again this is the inspected dimensions. Again you can represent one dimension, and again you can specify the inspection rate. One dimension is enough. One dimension is enough. Okay, now this entire one is my design. Just I am going to represent in this format for one dimension. For now the total number of dimensions 1 2 3 4. Just I am going to represent, just see here, delete this one. Just I am going to represent in this format. What happened, all the entire design is under inspected. Inspection process is complete. That's it. Okay, just add dim inspect, enter, dim inspect, enter, dim inspect, enter, select the dimension line, okay, select the dimension line, enter, okay, okay. That is about the dim inspection. Then next one is jogged linear. Jogged linear. Jogged linear. Command is DJL. Command is DJL. DJL. Now how to represent approximate dimensions? How to represent approximate dimensions? Just I am going to design one line, but it is not a true value. Just you can represent in this format. This is a true value representation. Okay, now this is the exact value, but now in this design this is not a true value. Just I am going to assume, just I am going to consider some approximate value. After completion of the design, again you can apply the approximate symbol here. Approximate symbol. Just I am going to design the road. Now I am going to design one road. I know the total width of the road with respect to margins. Again we have some extra space, but I don't know the extra dimensions. At that time just I am going to assign the approximate symbol. Now see here. Now just I am going to design one road. Okay. Now this is exactly with respect to margins. Again with respect to now this is the main one. Again these are the margins. Again the road contains some additional space here. Additional space. Okay. While designing plannings, any type of one. Now this is the, I know this total, this line to this line total dimensions. Dimension, linear, select this one to this one. Now this is the 58.42 units. Again dimension, again this one to the, now left side margin is 13.53. Next dimension, again right side margin is some value. Now these are the true values. Now again next dimension, linear, again this one to this one is the, just you can represent in this format. This is a true value, but this is not a, while designing this one just I am going to assume the margins value, margin values. For that purpose again you can apply the jogged linear symbol. The symbol represent approximate values. jog linear, select dimensions to be, convert, specify the jog location. Just I am going to specify jog location in this way. Now this type of dimension represent approximate value. Okay, just take it. By using this command we can represent approximate dimensions. By using this command we can represent approximate dimensions. Okay, simple thing. Okay, approximate dimensions. Now we can convert to normal to approximate dimensions. You can enter the command as a djl, select dimension to be, convert, select the location for jog. That's it, simple thing. djl, enter, select dimension, next specify the jog symbol location, specify the jog symbol location. That's it. Okay, that is about the jog linear. Okay, now that is about dimensional toolbar. Okay, again same thing, entire these things present in the format toolbar, dimension style, same thing here, again dimension, same thing. I will explain this style manager in format toolbar. Okay, now draw over, dimension over. Next one is the modify toolbar. Next one is the modify toolbar. Modify toolbar.